Inside Japan's fully AI-operated hospital, the future of healthcare has arrived. What if you walked into a hospital and found no receptionist, no nurses running around, and even the doctor wasn't human? Instead, the check-in is fully digital, the nurse is a robot, your diagnosis is made by AI in seconds. Your medicine, delivered by a self-driving bot. Sound like science fiction? Welcome to Japan's fully AI-operated hospital, where humans are the exception and robots run the show. Let's take a look inside the hospital of the future, already open in Japan. The vision, why Japan is leading this. Japan didn't wake up one day and decide robots were cool. This is about solving a real crisis. Japan's population is aging faster than any other country in the world. 1 in 3 people here is already over 65. With more people needing care and fewer young people to work, the healthcare system faces a huge challenge. So the mission is clear. Use cutting-edge AI and robotics to keep hospitals running smoothly. The goals are simple but ambitious. Reduce dependence on human staff, eliminate the frustrating wait times patients dread, and improve diagnostic accuracy so no disease goes unnoticed. In 2024, the Wakayama Robotic Hospital opened its doors as a pilot project. It's a collaboration between tech giants like Fujitsu and SoftBank Robotics. This isn't a distant dream, it's a working model for what hospitals could look like in a world where humans and AI work side by side. How it works. A visit. Step by step. So what's it really like to visit a hospital run by artificial intelligence? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1 is AI check-in. Instead of waiting in line to fill out forms, you walk up to a kiosk, it scans your face, connects to a secure cloud database, verifies your insurance, and pulls up your full medical record in seconds. No paperwork needed. Step 2 is AI triage and diagnosis. A robotic system checks your vitals, blood pressure, temperature, even subtle signs like the way you walk or your skin tone. It feeds all this data into a computer vision system that compares it to millions of other cases to suggest a possible diagnosis. Step 3 is the robotic consultation. An AI avatar appears on screen to explain what's happening in plain language. If you have a complex issue, a human doctor can join the conversation by video from anywhere in the world. If not, the AI alone handles your visit. Step 4 is the robotic pharmacy. Robotic arms fill your prescription with perfect precision. There's no human pharmacist counting pills by hand. A small self-driving delivery robot rolls up and hands you your medicine without you waiting at a counter. Step 5 is AI surgery assist. When surgery is needed, robots assist human surgeons with microscopic precision and predictive alerts to catch complications early. Fully autonomous surgeries are in development, but for now, robots work hand in hand with skilled surgeons to get better outcomes. AI doing what humans can't. This hospital isn't just about replacing humans, it's about giving patients the benefits of things no human can do alone. AI can process massive amounts of data that would take a doctor years to read. It can predict potential health risks before you even feel sick. Imagine catching a hidden heart condition years early, or spotting a rare disease most doctors wouldn't notice. AI can also translate consultations in real time, helping patients who don't speak Japanese feel comfortable and understood. Even cleaning is smarter here. UV light robots roam the halls, sterilizing surfaces 24/7 with sensors that find bacteria hiding in places a human cleaner might miss. The benefits, real numbers, real change. So does all this really work? Early results say yes, and the numbers are incredible. Patients who used to wait hours now wait just minutes. Some studies show wait times dropped by more than 80%. Diagnostic accuracy has climbed as high as 99.5% in trials, meaning fewer misdiagnoses and faster treatment. Medication errors, one of the biggest dangers in traditional hospitals, have practically disappeared because robots don't make tired, distracted mistakes, and because fewer staff are needed for repetitive tasks. Hospitals are cutting costs by up to 40% without cutting quality of care. Most importantly, more than 90% of patients say they're satisfied with this robot-assisted experience. For a hospital, that's a dream come true. Would you step inside a hospital like this tomorrow? Drop your answer in the comments below. Would you trust AI to diagnose you, treat you, or even operate on you? If you enjoyed this look at tomorrow's healthcare, smash that like button, share it with someone who loves mind-blowing tech, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future that's already here. See you in the next video.